This is Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and today I'll show how you can fix the Wi-Fi connectivity problems on this device. So first thing that I recommend you try is to reboot your smartphone, so simultaneously press and hold volume down and side power keys, and then restart your system. If that didn't help, try launching settings, entering the connections category, and toggle the Wi-Fi off and on. Then if the issue that you have is tied with a single Wi-Fi network rather than the Wi-Fi feature as a whole, try forgetting such network that you are experiencing issues with by going into its settings, forgetting it, and then reconnect your phone to the same Wi-Fi network to see if it will get you anywhere. And the final advice that I have for you today is that you try restoring default Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings and preferences. In order to do that, once again, launch settings, enter the general management category, then go into reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and reset settings. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.